Navien recirculation pumps can develop noise issues that affect their performance. Understanding the common causes and basic troubleshooting steps can help you resolve these problems quickly. The most common causes of recirculation pump noise include air trapped in the system, faulty check valves, blocked inlet screens, and incorrect dip switch settings. First, verify your dip switch settings are correct for your recirculation setup. Internal recirculation uses a built-in buffer tank, while external recirculation uses a dedicated return line. Incorrect settings can prevent the pump from activating properly. Air locks occur when air becomes trapped in the recirculation lines. This trapped air causes pump noise, reduces circulation efficiency, and can lead to complete pump failure. The solution is to purge all trapped air from the recirculation system. The check valve ensures water flows in only one direction through the recirculation system. A stuck or blocked check valve can prevent proper circulation and cause noise. Remove and examine the valve, cleaning or replacing it if necessary. Blocked water inlet screens restrict flow to the pump, causing strain and noise. Regular cleaning of these screens ensures proper water flow and reduces pump stress. Remove the screens and rinse them thoroughly with clean water. These basic troubleshooting steps, checking dip switches, purging airlocks, inspecting check valves, and cleaning inlet screens, can resolve most common recirculation pump noise issues. Regular maintenance prevents system problems and extends component life. When basic checks don't resolve the recirculation pump noise, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. We'll test the pump directly and examine electronic components. First, test the pump using Navien's built-in test mode. This diagnostic feature allows you to activate the pump directly to see if it's functioning. If the pump doesn't activate in test mode, check for voltage at the pump connections. A failing printed circuit board, or PCB, is often the culprit behind pump failures. Users have successfully resolved recirculation pump issues by replacing three key components: the PCB, the recirculation pump itself, or the check valve. If you're uncomfortable with these advanced troubleshooting steps, it's time to call a professional. Navien restricts part sales to licensed technicians, and complex issues require qualified expertise.